How to fix display settings not opening on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how you can fix if the display settings is not opening in your Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, navigate to the search icon and in the search bar type in CMD. Here you have to open up your command prompt. Here you have to open the command prompt and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Now here on the command prompt you have to type in the command sfc space / and then type in scan now. Once you type in this command right here, then you have to press enter in your keyboard and that's gonna scan your device. And it will take a few minutes to complete this process. Once this process is complete, now again you have to restart your device. Once you restart your device again, for the second step, open CMD as an administrator again. So click on command prompt. You have to open command prompt as an administrator. So here you can right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now here you have to type in the another command. You will find that command in the description box below. So for that you can simply copy the command from the description box and then paste it right here. That is dsim.exe space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health. Once you type in this command, then again press enter in your keyboard. Now this process will also take a few minutes and that's going to help you resolve any of the corruption file in your device. That will help you restore the health and any other glitches or issues in your device. After you do that, again you can close the command prompt, then restart your device. Once you restart, your problem will be solved. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.